All right, game time. Spy dump this morning. I know I bought some puts yesterday. I mentioned when I bought puts yesterday too, so I don't know if anybody got some puts with me. But I do have some spy puts. So I'm excited to see how much those are up. Yesterday I opened spy puts. I think I put like $1,000 in, and I was up 168 at the close, 16%. So today I would not be surprised if those are up like 300-ish, maybe even more. All right, as far as small caps, I saw a couple of you guys trading this morning on the Discord. Rafiki had some nice trades. So let me look at them. I think it was Lucy and then ADTX. Lucy and ADTX. Lucy due for a dead cat bounce. Okay, 348 right there. You got some nice little pivots here at like, well, that is 348, dang it. This one has a high of $7. I wonder if we can get that high. We shall see. 2.8 seems like a good daily level as well, so 2.8 is trying to hold. Oh, and then ADTX. ADTX, this one has tried to pop up several times and it can't get over, but I mean, it's back again, so 438. So far, it's put in the highest high it's actually made so far. You got a $4 resistance down there, like 411-ish, or support. You got a next target of 466, and then after that, you got a huge gap fill up here where you're looking at 569-ish. Good morning, Rob S. Good morning, Rome C. Wade Zay. Hey, Juan, I was thinking of buying your class. What should I know before joining the team? Nothing, man. You're gonna learn everything there. If you do have more questions or anything, just send me a DM on Instagram or Discord, and just say, hey, it's Way Tuesday, and I can chat with you, and we can go from there. But I mean, nothing. I mean, that course will teach you everything you need within it. So 411 is going to be a nice little pivot on ADTX. See if we can hold ADTX 411 pivot and then keep going higher. ADTX and Lucy both look pretty good. Which was the one that you guys were mentioning this morning? It had an offering or something. Was it one of these two? Welcome everybody. Good morning everybody on TikTok. And then on Lucy, I'm looking at 2.8 pivot to hold on Lucy and see if we can keep running on this one. Lucy, I am looking for a just break of 350 because after that, it's pretty beaten down. So let's see if we get a nice little bit of a pop on that one. My Tradecaster team, good morning, Mersa, John, AAJ, Urban Trades, Educativo, Ape Trades. Urban Trades already said you, and some of your Rosendo's typing. NVIV, is that the one that had an offer? NVIV. Ugh. Well, this one was looking decent until that happened. $12.85 high. I don't know what that is. So $12.85 high. Wow, this one was looking great. This one had a high of 1381 right above. Could this one, if the offering is higher, could this one still rally? Because if it will, man, this looks nice. So for this one, I mean, I would want it over 1050 for sure. So over 1050, then we start looking at 12, 13, and the new high of 1381. Morning, CryptoWire. Why is it? Morning, Lang. Everybody's doing the little coffee emojis now. ATXI had an offering. ATXI, where's ATXI on here? I do want to look at previous stocks, but scanner kind of dead so far. I was gonna say, is this all we got for scanners? Because that's all I have. ADTX and Lucy. William Hinch, good morning, man, and good trading today. Hey, you were here for the first time yesterday, right? And now you're back today, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, non-farm payroll still too strong, not giving the Feds any reason to slow down with their aggressive rate hikes. ADTX, I had an offer on ADTX. I almost waited a whole year for tops to reach $11 from 40 cents. Dang, you're in on tops for 40 cents? Speaking about tops, let's look how tops looks today. Really being down, so tops, I am not interested on tops, especially after yesterday's big old sell-off. So on tops, I mean, I'll put an alert if we get over back to 9. I will look at it, but for now, I'm not liking it. ATXG was the one that just yesterday, $4, it just could not break. So if ATXG pops up again, we can see if we get that $4, hold $4, and actually get a move after that. MOTS, you know, kind of same thing, very same thing with MOTS. MOTS and $3 is the same thing as ATXG with $4. You know, if you get over 3 and start holding 3, you might get a nice little move, but that $3 MOTS was also pretty strong. SNTI, gosh, look at all this war that happened yesterday on SNTI. Look at all these lines and trend lines, and this is way too much. So gonna delete some of these. That's a whole dollar. It's a half dollar. I don't know what that is. 701, leave that one. 750, leave that one. And then 801, that was at daily level. Oh yeah, the wheat stocks yesterday as well. They started popping up. Those might have some momentum. For SNTI, I mean, this is still holding 650. 650 is holding 650. You know, if we start popping up, actually over 750 or $8 for this one, and we will be looking for a possible trade. So SNTI, I'm just gonna throw it back here just in case. Any more sleepers? AMV, I am not gonna trade AMV. Crazy stock. AERC kind of gave a lot back. I still have an alert on that one. PRVV, you know, this one's not bad. This one held mood from yesterday, but this one just for some reason had no volume. So we'll put an alert over pre-market highs right there, pretty close. Looking for 650 break, but yesterday this one, as soon as it got to 650, nobody wanted to buy that stock. CCNC no, CSCW no. Beat, Beat is at all-time highs, right? Yeah, Beat is all-time highs right now. Holding that previous high of day, 547, that was previous all-time high. So if we keep holding 547 on Beat, we might see another leg. So this one definitely on watch. 547 used to be all-time highs on this one, and so we broke highs, came back, and now we're holding previous highs. So let's see if we get another leg. So this one definitely on big watch. Peggy popped up to a new high yesterday close. I actually didn't see that. ISIG. Jeez, I can't pronounce. No, I don't like this one. No volume, not even gapping up today. Peggy's the one that popped up to a new high yesterday, though. If you see Peggy, it literally went up right to the 200 moving average, tapped it, and then pulled back. But, you know, if Peggy keeps coming up here, Peggy will rip through that 200. So Peggy also on watch. I think once we get momentum, it's always like the same couple of stocks for a week, you know. But, you know, I'd rather take that than nothing. Good morning, Lori Greenup on YouTube. Good morning, Hassan, Hanish, Blair over on Tradecaster, and then on my TikTok peeper. So, you know, Robin, hey, good morning. So let me see. Kajula, today's gonna be a good day. Hopefully, hopefully. I keep thinking, I'm up, I'm up pretty good already this week in October, and I'm still trying to scale up. So I kind of have built a little bit of a cushion. So I kind of want to see, if I can stick another good day, even better day. Risk a little more, play a little bit more aggressive, get a little bit more share size in some of these plays that I feel confident in. And that's how you scale up. You have to take the risk eventually. I can't always make $600 every single day. I'd be happy if I could do that forever, but I'd be more happier if I made 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,500, 5,000. If I was making 5,000 a day, shoot, I'd take all you guys out on dinner every other month. We'll also have lots of sellers. ADTX looks good. So far, Lucy and ADTX look the best. Lucy does not have a 200 moving average, but this one's definitely. We'll get there eventually. Hopefully, man. Hopefully, we're grinding it. We're all grinding it. So Lucy does not have a 200 moving average, but this one's kind of I guess maybe a recent IPO. I don't know what's happening with this one. Needs a dead cat bounce, and these dead cat bounces towards close of an IPO, they sometimes will pop, and they will pop all the way right up to high, squeeze immediately. And then ADTX, this one's been down here for a while. This had a nice move over 200 moving average, and then gave it all back, but we've been trying to pop up here, and now we're getting up there. 411 is going to be the first level to start holding, I think, and then you're looking, what is this? That 431, yeah, that's the previous one. So hold 411, and then if we get through 411, I want to see that 438, 450, up to $5. NVIV, I'm gonna throw this one here. I got an extra chart. NVIV. Market's gonna open here in 2.5 minutes. Already got my shot out of the way. I'm ready. Andres, good morning, man. Good morning. All been pretty lost here. I traveled to my country and getting married in 3 weeks, so my attention is getting everything ready. All been pretty lost here. Andres, you're getting married in three weeks? October 29th, Andres gets married. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. What do you think about Waves USDT? No, I'm not trading those. Yeah. Seed on YouTube. Good morning, man. All right, guys. We got about a minute left. I got my eyes on Lucy and ADTX. Rob Bellany, what's up? Morning. John from YouTube. Good morning. Okay, so Lucy, I want to see Lucy hold kind of 2.8, honestly. This one's a little iffy because it's not really the top of a daily support candles, but just kind of a place where I thought it was holding support. So, Rafiki, I think you got some nice trades this morning, Rafiki, so good job. Keep it up. J Money on YouTube, good morning. Alright, market's about to open here in 30 seconds, and I got my eyes on Lucy and ADTX. Keeping an eye on SNTI, Sleepers, Beat, Peggy. See if any of those will give us an opportunity today. $15 seconds. On Lucy, I do feel like I see kind of a little bit of a downtrend right there on Lucy. We're live, people. We're live. Alright, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Oh, I do want to see my puts real quick. Puts up $350. Okay, so I see ADTX popping up a little bit more than Lucy. Now, market probably is going to drop, so we'll have to be careful with everything else as well. I already had a pretty aggressive drop this morning. Staying on watch. Good morning, Austin Lewis. Staying on watch. If you guys see anything throughout my momentum scanner or any good place you guys see, let us know. SNTI popping off that 650. Lucy attempting this break of downtrend here. Lucy, I would probably take that retest of downtrend, but we're still got a pretty strong pivot here at 324 that I'm kind of iffy about. So I'm going to be a little iffy on that one. PRVB. PRVB alert. PRVB alert. Looking for 650 on that one. Yep, that is why I didn't take that. You know, you're not clearing levels to the left yet. You're not clearing levels to the left, so I'm not going to take that trade there. Even if it was breaking up downtrend, just because it's on the first couple minutes of market open, and you're not breaking pivots to the left, I'm gonna avoid that and avoid a very nice flush. So good start so far. Maybe some Oh yeah. I forgot about that. So let's look at what are some of them. CGC and Tilray. SNDL maybe. I don't even see them on my watch list. I know I have them somewhere. Maybe Tilray has a move. PRVV is the one that's looking for 650 though. But this one you see, Kern, Weed Play 2, ATXI Green. This is the one that, you know, as soon as it gets to 650, volume dies. And I don't know why. I don't know why. I want to see this one with volume through 650, but it doesn't. ATXI again, somebody's calling it out. I can't find ATXI on my watch list. Oh, there it is, way up here. Wow, ATXI pretty being down though. ADTX so far is the only one that's holding. PRVV. Yeah, ADTX is the only one that's holding so far. But I'm not gonna rush a trade here. Not rushing trades here. Lucy 200 moving average 4 hours 350. Yeah. Wait. I don't have a 200 moving average on that one. I don't have a 200 moving average on that one. What do I think about Lucy 254? I don't know. I don't like to take stocks when they open up red like this. Oh, 4-hour chart. I see. Good morning to Mimi. Good, no rush. I will wait for another 30 minutes. Yeah, Robin here. Yep, I'm still sitting here. No trades today so far. There goes PRVB. I mean, this one was looking at 650 the whole time, and it just missed this one. But this is the one that had very low volume when I was looking at it. So even now, still look at these volume. 26,000. That's nothing. 50,000, 26,000, 18,000. I would not take a breakout trade on a stock with that much volume. CHC. What? Unfortunately, I missed it though, but made a pretty nice pop from 650 through all the way 684. Lucy, honestly, Lucy is holding this 280 level first. So if volume starts dying right here at 280, which that's where I had my daily support from, this one might turn back around and try to come back up to this downtrend break or something like that. This was a pretty big rejection, but you might try to bottom out here. Who's up potential? Husa has a nice downtrend on the 5 minutes all the way to where it's at now and actually retesting it. So it actually doesn't look bad. 473 high, so I'll put an alert up here and see if we triggered it up there. Is Lucy still holding this low down here? I'm pretty tempted to take a Lucy trade down here. Pretty tempted to take a Lucy trade down here. ADTX flushed, yeah, a little bit. Top's calling it now. Kevin calling out tops. Man, I wish I would have taken some of Lucy down there, 280s. Popping up a little bit. Dude, I am not trading coins, guys. No coins. Man, I wish I would have taken some Lucy down there, 280s. And ADTX, after that flush, coming back up a little bit too. So watch ADTX get over that 411 pivot. On this one, though, I want volume to come in. Because you see that flush has pretty heavy volume. And those green candles don't have that much volume. So Zach calling out PSTV. We're all being patient, guys. We're all being patient. Hi, I'm new. Tops moving. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the stream if you're new. Anybody new, welcome to the stream. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything at all. PSTB not bad. High of 79 cents. I don't mind this one, Zach. I don't mind it. I think Lucy is the one that might break out of this downtrend, though. You know, but I probably could adjust it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to adjust it like that. So we haven't hit the top of that downtrend yet. Let me see if we increase volume and then pull back down to VWAP a little bit and anticipate a touch here of this downtrend here on Lucy. So let's see. Or if we just squeeze right out of it and get a pivot of 324. That should have been the pullback there. Looking at Lucy, I got a little bit of a downtrend here on this one. I want to see that pullback. Or if we get a nice pop, that 324 pivot will be nice. ADTX also coming all the way back up. ADTX 411 is the daily support, so I want to see us hold 411 on ADTX. Also looking for downtrend break. Both of these top watch. I'm liking this Lucy pullback a little bit. I want to see if I can get a lower ad. Maybe not. And anticipate the break of downtrend on Lucy. So no trades yet. PRBV looking for $7. Had 695 high, but that's the one with iffy volume. So I don't want to take a breakout trade with iffy volume. 5 minute engulfing count on ADTX, yeah. That's why I want to see 411. You can see 411 on ADTX is holding. I hate when they both do them like at the same time though. So Lucy looking for that 324 pivot to hold. There's 160 orders up there somewhere. Bro, you a pilot? I don't understand anything. ADTX Is this a low volume pullback here, anticipating the high of day break on ADTX? I will say the volume on, okay, back to Lucy. No, big rejection up there on Lucy. I was gonna say I don't like the 1 minute volume on ADTX. Lucy could pop and flush, AAJ said, which kind of hit that 324, which is a pivot I'm looking for to break and hold, and did flush kind of a little bit. You want to hear a Jump Mama joke? Over 100 viewers on YouTube again. Thanks everybody, appreciate it. See, this instantly, the second it pops up, then you get higher volume on that one. And then ADTX, I mean, maybe you could take a trade there. Oh, ADTX, big recovery on ADTX. If we break out of this downtrend and retest 411, ADTX looking for highs. 30 seconds left on this candle. Wow. Yep. Kajal, I remember the 30-40 viewer days. I can finally watch you again. I try to watch you in school, but my teachers don't let me. They say stock trading is not worth it. Next time, and just give yourself a year, 2 years, and then when you're making more money, then be like, what were you saying? Lucy and ADTX, both of these, Kano ripping and halt it. Oh, wow. What happened to Kano, guys? Tell your teacher to get real. Kano ripped to highs. Lucy 324 pivot, but ADTX was kind of getting stuffed, and then this one you see the increase of volume happening on red candles, so being a little cautious here. I'm being patient, so I haven't. Oh no, ape trades. Gosh. Do you think you're rushing trades now, ape trades again? Okay, so look at this downtrend still on Lucy. I'm being very patient. This is what pays you to be successful. No, ape trades doesn't quit, but Lucy popped 324. See, it's doing the same thing ADTX is doing. I'm not liking Lucy either. Both of these stocks are PSTV. Zach is on this one. See, this is better. This is what you want. You like that, and then the decrease in volume right here, where Zach was at on PSTV, and he didn't mention this one, but Kano, I want to see when Kano resumes. Actually, Lucy's still holding up here. Lucy actually might squeeze if it keeps holding it. This candle's about to close here on Lucy. Yeah, this one might actually squeeze. Looking at Lucy, seeing if I get a low pullback or keep holding this 324. $30 seconds left on this candle. I'm gonna take an ad here. I see volume increasing towards the end of this candle. Let's see if we pop up two highs. Candle's about to close here, 7 seconds. Let's see if this next one takes us to high of day. Here we go. I want this next candle right here. Take some walls down. Not taking walls down. Still holding 324. I don't even know where the wall is. It pops up and fades down so fast. But volume is, it's not as high as it was earlier. So, and we're holding at 324, so I'm feeling a little confident here. If we hold this candle here, I could see that next one instantly taking us to highs, or this one might still. Right here, there's the wall, 50 cracked there once. Here's another wall. Are we gonna break through that one? No, we cannot. It's getting a little stuffed. If I don't break this one here or the next candle instantly, I might descale out of right here. This got to break here. I want to descale a little bit more. I only have 1,000 shares left, but you see that's 3 candles that are holding it. It's 333, 30 orders there, 334, 30 orders there. 1410 got taken out first. There we go. Pops up and kind of flushes. What's the low of that candle there? 3-3. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, that one should have gone. Should have gone. It should have gone. It should have gone. When did you start live, bro? I start 8:15 when market opens. 15 minutes before market opens. Do you think it's a good time to jump into MULN? No, good stream. You look fire, bro. Thanks, man. You might have had the wrong stop order. You might have had the wrong stop order. Hey Juan, how are you today? So far has been very choppy, Brad Rogers. Yeah, so far I'm doing okay. Just took my very first trade here. Did Kano just flush after that? But honestly, this is still holding that 324 pivot on Lucy. I had my very first trade there up $120. Kano right back up though. Kano looking to break this 972 and up to $10 maybe. Rome C, you're trading AMV. Oh, that's a risky stock there, right? Let me look at Lucy though, because this 324 pivot on Lucy is still looking good. I could be looking for this pullback again on 324 on Lucy and see if we get that pop to highs. Good job, Brad Rogers. One trade on you on Lucy this morning. Good job. Man, SPY's still tanking. But then sometimes that happens. If it was a very volatile move and your order went right through it. Rajesh on YouTube, you can increase the quality of the YouTube video to 1080. I'm still liking this 324 pivot on Lucy, or even if look at the volume on it, it's just dead. Or even if I get a little bit of a flush here to reclaim that downtrend, I might enter on this one again. Look at the volume decreasing here, and looking for 350s. Do we get a nice little bit of a crack here? Added a little bit. I'm looking for 350 on this one. I'm looking for 350 here. I want to see this one accelerate right up to 350 and see if we break 350. Come on, accelerate. Take some malls down. Bought the 324 pivot again. I've been saying 324 pivot all day. There's a little bit of a break. Do I get a little bit more pop? Do I get past this 338 here? 334, a little bit of a wall there. I don't want to get stopped out, but I want this thing to keep squeezing to highs. Here's another little bit of a pop. I'm going to take a little bit more out, but I want to hold most for the 350. Here it goes. Here goes. New high of day. New high of day. Holding, 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 holding. Don't flush on me. Don't flush on me. I'll put a stop under that candle in case it flushes. But I'm looking to see if this one accelerates through 350 and even maybe a breakout trade, 350, 60, 70, 80, you know? I want to see volume come in. It's holding so far. 338 could be a pivot, but I want to see acceleration through 350, new high of day, and $half breakout. Come on. 20 seconds left on this candle. Increase volume in the last 20 seconds. Up $400 on this trade here, but there it is, 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 there it is. 350 break, come on, come on, come on. Close this candle here, next one take us high. Selling there a little bit, 1,000 shares left, looking for that new high of day animation break of $half. Looking for that new high of day animation break of $half right here. 350, do we keep squeezing? No! Why does it always do that to me? Stop at 340. Oh. Bro, I am unstoppable this week. I am laser focused. I am patient. Welcome to the stream, everybody that's new. Welcome to the stream. This is my 5th day in a row of already being up $500 plus. I tried selling break at 350, but spiked up 358, pulled down, and I sold like 345, I think. I can give you exact numbers. I sold 331, 335, 344, 45, and then stopped at 41. So I didn't sell any above 350. It spiked up, tried selling, flushed on me, and then and then what? Good job, bitches. That's manageable. Juan Trace keeps crushing it. We killing. Let's go, Blair. Let's go, Educativo. Oh, ADTX too. ADTX. MM 5-day green plus 1,000. Good job, Wen. Well done, Juan. Good trade. Thank you. Mike Blanco sold too early on that trade. Lucy 3 with small profit. Good job, Robin. Right the line. I'm coming, Juan. I'm coming. I'm driving. Right the line and get home. Come on. Been watching all week and W. Good job, man. Appreciate it on TikTok, guys. Appreciate it. Good trade, 100%. Thank you. I always crush in the game. You already know. You've been watching me for a week and you already know. Juan is an actual sniper. It's still kind of up there, but it didn't give me the squeeze that I wanted to, so I had to get out. But I mean, right here, I saw it holding us right here. I should have jumped in more share size. What am I doing, man? Check it to ADTX. I might go ADTX. I got a little bit of a downtrend on ADTX right here, so I'm waiting for ADTX to break this downtrend, retest it, reclaim 411. 411 is a daily pivot. So if we start flying over 411 on ADTX, that is go time. Go. The one that I did miss for sure is but you see this volume decreasing. I don't know that I like that. And then honestly, if I'm looking left, I also want to pivot to break, and that's going to be 424. PRVV is the one that I missed. I like your explanations and analogy. You trading how many years? 3 years. First time watching live daily. Any Discord, Telegram groups? Yes, sir. I got a Discord link for you. Give me un momento, por favor. Discord is completely free, my man. There's a Discord link for you. Oh, I forgot to DM you guys. Robin, he, and Rome. If you guys are on my Discord, I think Rome said he is. Or not Robin, he, Rob S. Sorry, Rob S. There's a lot of R's. Rob S and Rome. I need to get you guys links, or I guess you can get them, but I'll get you guys links since you guys are my moderators on YouTube now. So I want you guys to have those links. Which most of the times I do it, but you know, if I don't see it, if I'm in a trade or something like that happens, then yeah. Nah, I've been here way before you even started Discord. When you say you've been trading 2 years, is that trading for 2 years, or you've been looking at charts? Um, Dang, thanks for following me for so long, man. I've been trading for 2 years, and I say 3 years because it took 6, 7, 8 months of me of research before I took the first trades. But I think like, well, since I really started tracking my progress on TraderView, I would say 2 years because right now I'll have a year and a half of progress. But that's when I started tracking TraderView and stuff. Looking at ADTX 424 pivot. Juan, closing this 5-minute candle around 358 and get a pullback to 345. Oh, on Lucy. Lucy 324 pivot again, maybe. But I think we did what we needed to. I think we broke that 358 that we needed to. It could still hold, you know. With how much do I recommend start trading with or investing? I would say trade paper money first for a little bit, but after that, I honestly would say you could start off with $100 because I need you to be consistent making $1 a day. And you should not be scaling up if you can't make $1 a day for 2-3 months consistently, or at least be profitable. On ADTX, you know, if I get that pullback to 411 again, I will take it, which is a little extended. Watching to see how this reacts up here. Watching to see if we get stuffed or not. You know, double top that top one there. Maybe 411 again. 411 is that daily pivot. Lucy is holding that 324. Yeah, I do see it. Yeah, I fun 113 viewers. Awesome, awesome. Welcome, guys. If you're first time here on YouTube, welcome to the stream. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Enjoy the show. Enjoy me watching make money. Hope you learned something. Discord's right above. And that's it. That's it, guys. We do this every day, every single day. Increase in volume here on ADTX. So I want to see that pullback and see if it starts holding 411 with less volume. See, okay, so that's one candle there close. I want to see this pull back down to here with low volume. Okay, there's one pullback. Oh, that retested 411 so fast. How are you supposed to take a trade through that? How are you supposed to take a trade through that? Mercer's complaining about it too. I mean, I'm spot on 411. I knew 411 was a dip, but how am I supposed to take that trade there? Unless I throw a limit order out there and get filled, but you guys know I hate doing that. You know, I never know if that candle pulls back down slowly, it gets me filled and recovers, or I never know if it's a flush, gets me filled and then keeps going. You know, I hate doing that. But 411, there it goes, guys. Look at that, perfect. So, I mean, at least it was buyers stepping in. So I want to see 424 hold next. And see if we get a break of high days, 438. And then after 438, I'm looking at 466. Lucy's actually still holding. What the heck? What the heck? Mersa. I still want to see if ADTX gives another 411, kind of stalls out a little bit, and then boom. Did Kano just halt again? on the top to the top side. Looking at ADTX again. I don't want to catch a flush, but I want to catch a little bounce, even down to now 4.9 since there's a new 5-minute candle here. ADTX looking for a little pop down. Kano did not halt up, but it is looking at high of day again, 972. ADTX looking to add down here. Added there on ADTX, looking for the curl back up on this one. My goodness, bro. My goodness, bro. I mean, my goodness. I am literally a sniper. Come on, give me a big squeeze. Give me a 424 squeeze, 430, 35, new high of day. Come on. A lot of buyers. A lot of buyers. Taking some off there. 1,500 shares left. 415 cost basis. 415 cost basis. Looking at high of day, 438. Looking at 424 pivot hold, but you know, I'm looking for high of day on this thing. This is insane. I am literally a sniper. Whoa. That is not where I meant to put that line. Why did it spawn so low? 424 pivot here holds. Off to the races we go. 1,000 shares left. Looking for high of day. Stop under 424. Move it up a little bit. Looking for high of day. Rip, baby. Guys, I can't, man. Stock trading is too easy, man. Stock trading is too easy, man. Stock trading is just too easy, man. This is still holding. I'm looking to see if we get up to 450. Look at this. We're going to hold 438 pivot high of day. Rip up to 450. Watch, 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 watch. 445 breaks, going up to 450. 445 breaks, 450, 47. Ooh, a little stuffy there, a little stuffy there. Yeah, 438 is a... No, I got stopped. Oh, I guess, okay, flush. Easy come, easy go. What are you trying to say? You're trying to say I'm about to lose it all? You trying to say I'm about to lose all my money, bro? Andres up $326 on the day. Good job, man. Easy come, easy profits. Easy come, easy profits. That's Warrior Trading's. That's Warrior Trading's saying. Ape Trades, did you get caught on Lucy Flush or something? Is that what you said? I think I saw you say something. $350 on this trade, 40 on the other one. Congrats, Brody. Thanks, man. If your stop loss doesn't execute due to volatility, how can you remain profitable? A lot of the times they will, but if it doesn't, you can't do anything about it. That's just part of the game. But, I mean, I think I've really only had that happen once or twice in 2 or 3 years. And if you're asking me a question like that, I guarantee you I probably am using more share size than you. So if I have a stop loss for 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 shares and I'm having no problem getting out of it, then you shouldn't have problem getting out of a 50 share position, a 100 share position with a stop loss. So if it keeps happening to you, then I guarantee you're having the wrong stop order in. But if you have that question or problems and you want me to help you, just type it in on Discord. Join my Discord, type it in there, show me how you're typing in your order, and I can help you out, man. That's what I'm here for, help you guys. God, bro, round of applause to you with the snipe. Thanks, thanks, thanks. I do pay attention to TikTok. I'm answering them. I was in the middle of a trade. Apple, I answered your question. And then, Insane Drummer. What you got a question for me, Insane Drummer? Struggling, honestly. Any tips? Haven't blown my account. You know, you not blowing your account is telling me you're doing the right thing by going in small share size, and that's the right thing to do. So, let me see. Well, I don't know. I'd have to see how you're trading, what you're trading. You know, are you trading options? Are you trading shares? Are you trading breakouts? Are you trading dips? Are you trading patterns? Are you trading swing trading? You know. Who was that? Dustin, join my Discord, man. It's completely free, and just start asking me questions there. Hey, say, look, this is what I'm trading. I'm struggling, and I can help you out. I just can't do it right now while I'm trading. ETNB. ETNB looking for that $8 break. I already got it. Okay. No, I didn't get caught in Lucy, but it was nasty. Bro, Lucy and ADTX went at the same time. I missed. Okay, you have trades. I thought you were caught in on that one. Okay, thank God. How's everybody doing today so far? I think some of you guys might have taken some of those same trades that I took, so congrats. I think I know for sure Andres took one of those, so good job. Okay, you're still only down 140. I'm very impressed on this live interaction with your viewers. Bro, I don't know how I do it, man. I don't know how I do it. So everybody always tells me, like, you know, it took me a little bit of time, but you know, I'm trading, I'm answering questions and making money at the same time. So now, bro, I'm up $800 today. For everybody new, everybody new. Let me show you guys some. Let me show you guys my week so far. $800 today, 500 yesterday, coming off a high of 900, so I gave some profit back. Wednesday, 750. Tuesday, 660. Monday, 700. That's like a decent week. That's like what people make in a month with 2 hours of trading. Actually, I've had way better weeks, but for this market, I'll take that. I'll take that. Okay, so you're trading options. You're chasing the bag. We can wait. Yeah, yeah. I'm trading shares, stocks. I'm not seeing anything really interesting right now. I see ADTX still up here, but if you look at the 5 minutes, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute candles getting stuffed. You could look for that 450 break and extension on ADTX, but not like this. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1 minute candles with pretty low volume, right? And then Lucy obviously got a little bit of a rejection up there, down there, or up there, yeah. Some of the other stocks that I was looking at, let me see, PSTV, no. Kano, kind of looking for highs but didn't get it. ETBN, break of 8, pulled back. Which other one? Lucy, Kevin was calling out Lucy. And then I am still holding a put on SPY short. Put in $1,000 on a put. Currently up probably $350, $400 on that. But I'm looking for new lows on SPY, so I'm gonna hold that one. It's a little bit further expiration, so I'm gonna hold it. Hold it. Great week, Juan. Thank you, Chicago. Your telecast is much smoother than when you first started. Wepa, Weepa. What is? How do you say that? I got it. I got it. Moderators. See, I'm on top of it. I'll ban it real quick. Your dips are spot on. Thanks, man. Seen you on the RT Discord. Didn't know you were this much of a beast. I am a beast, bro. Tops flagging. Tops flagging. Yeah, I do like tops. Looking at that left pivot of 695, almost $7 flag on tops. I do like tops. Who called that out? Bead. Juan is a goat. I do like this right here on tops. Really nice pop. Good volume. Get over that 695, almost $7. Pulling back. The entry would have been down here, so if I missed this one, then that's on me. ADTX looking for 350. Oh, that one's getting stuffed. I'm going to throw tops on the side chart now. That is why I don't chase breakouts as much now. Look at ADTX. Tops, though. That was a trade, Bede. I hope you took that trade down to 695, 693-ish. I hope you took that trade there, Bede. Now here you'd want volume to start increasing again. Get a new high of day, this one, Bede. No, I'm not on live audio. This is a one-man show right here. Oh, you're saying because I'm answering other questions. No, I stream on 2 platforms. I stream on 2 platforms. So tradecaster.com and YouTube, that's why. Also, does anyone ever say in the trading floor? I'd be nice to say in a chat full of traders. So the problem is when I stream live, everybody is watching me trade live on live stream, so nobody's on my Discord. But once I get off of my trading live, everybody goes to the Discord, including myself. And then also before I jump on Discord, I get in. I mean on live stream, I get in 15 minutes before market opens. But people are in there an hour and a half, 2 hours before market opens on the day trading. So thanks for that question. Yeah. Did you use level 2 earlier to make the trades or just a chart pattern? A little bit of both. Are you entering on red 1 minute candle and dips? Depends on it, yeah. ADTX, you know, I mentioned this thing was getting stuff after flush. This is why I said look left. 411 is still that daily pivot, but looking left, you got stuffed here, and it took you so long to get up here when one candle down got you that fast. So I'm not taking a dip trade on that one. Lucy is the one that doesn't give up though. And then tops, you know, tops the entry was right there. Quick little 693 rebound there. You'd be in profit right now with stop at break even, looking for that next leg up, but unfortunately it didn't happen. Lucy is the one that could pop up. Lucy on the daily's got some room to. We got to get out of this 348 first. Oh, downtrend break on Lucy. You're right here. Let's see if we got on the other side of this downtrend on Lucy. I will say I use time and sales a. Bede, please tell me you're in tops. Please tell. Kevin was calling tops all morning too. And there goes Lucy's too. Oh, Lucy's still looking the same. Sorry. That was a dip trade on tops, man. Bede. Everybody, go back up to Bede's comment and give him a fire emoji, because look at that. Brad Rogers taking off. Thank you, thank you. Bede. Lucy still looking at this downtrend. Bede took that trade. Good job. Good job, Bede. Good job. 1 minute flag on Lucy. Yeah. Maybe still that 324 pivot. This is the last 1 minute candle on this 5 minute time frame. On this 5 minute candle frame, but that's low volume ish. Good job, B. Good job. On Chingon, what's up? Yo, what are you trading on? Thinkorswim. Sounds great. I'll be in on Monday for sure. Yeah. And today, I mean, later in the day today, you can check it out. Lucy, I want to see Lucy you want Lucy, you can take a dip trade here. See if you can break out of this pattern, but down here, 324-ish. Unless it wants to go already. Lucy on a roll right now. Getting out of this downtrend, so I'm going to put it like that. Made 20 bucks, okay. Sucks. Lucy, straight up to highs. No trade for me, no trade for me. The next trade would be 348 break, 350 hold, and then new high of day 358. Let's see. Now volume is increasing on the 1 minute. That's what I like to see. I want to get over 348. Maybe even... I feel like if I take a flag here, I'm chasing this one. Because I don't want to get caught in that. I am streaming on YouTube, yes. I would recommend TD Ameritrade just because that's what I use. Lucy, looking for a 1 minute flag right under 350s and see if we anticipate the break of 350. Downtrend retest, Mercer's calling it out. I do see that too as well. Grab Lucy at 330 for John. Good job, John. That's a very nice entry, John. Congrats, man. Ape Trades and I. Ape Trades, did you get in here? Ape Trades is in at 332. Dang, you guys are nailing them too now. I want to see 337 down here-ish. Low volume there, pullback, but only 20 seconds into this. That's kind of a triple top right there too, so I gotta be careful. Good job, Millie. Looking for this pullback here on Lucy down here. Give us a 337 or something like that. 338. I don't like that the 5 minute candles are not as strong volume though. This is very weak volume compared to earlier. What's up, the Awakened One? Okay, do we get another little pullback here on Lucy? Pretty tight range here on Lucy between 340 and 347. I want to catch a little bit of a dip on this one. I guess I can add there a little bit. Terrible fill. Just looking for, if it pulls back a little more, I will add on this one. But I'm looking for this one to take off through that 350 back up the highs. Looking for this triple top to break here. Do we break out of this triple top here? Taking some off the table. I have 1,000 shares left. Pretty quick rejection there, so not the best. But I want to put stop right at that candle. Hopefully I don't get stopped out. And I got 1,000 shares runners. Husa shout out alert. Okay, so I got stopped out there. But you know, I made some profit. Looking to add lower. That was a 338 dip. That was a 338 dip. No. Look at that. Look at where that dropped to. 337. Looking. Not after a flush. Not after a flush. Not after a flush. FNGR? Somebody calling out FNGR? Oh my gosh. FNGR, pretty nice downtrend on this one. This one keeps coming back up. I'm not seeing anything moving right now. FNGR, pretty nice pop. So I'm going to replace FNGR over here on my side chart. When they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, go. Ape Trade's only down $80. Good job. Mersa, I'm right there with you, man. A lot of dumps today. But look at FNGR. 713 retest might not be bad on FNGR. Lucy still in play. Did it recover? I'm going to put FNGR down here. Lucy, I mean, you kind of retesting that downtrend. I see it. Juan Trade, seriously, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My trading is ridiculously better than it was from 2 months ago. I'm so stoked. Thanks, Blair. Hey, take care of your wrist, Blair. Take care of your wrist. Bro, actually, when you said that, I was like, oh, I'm kind of getting some wrist pain. I felt that, Ella. I've been trying to find other YouTubers like him to watch from. He's good, though. But if you're thinking about it, he's definitely someone to learn from. Big bet. Hey, thanks, man. Oh, that would help, too. What's up with the flushes today? I definitely seen a lot of flushes today, yeah. Lucy is done. Somebody's calling it out on YouTube. 5-pound fishers day total so far. I haven't imported again. I think I was up 480 here. So I increased my profit there to 500 on this trade now. So I should be up a little bit over $820 maybe. Something like that. I've thought about trading options, but you know, I have luck. Or not luck, but I'm doing good with these small caps trading these penny stocks. So why change up something that's working? Juan got some Guanma love for his followers. Dude, I'm just tired of people like pretending that they know how to trade and then scamming people, and you know, people really want to learn, and I got scammed before, so it sucked. When I first started learning, I got scammed, and that was the worst feeling of my life, and I would never put anybody through that. Stop searching for other rooms, watch Juan trades and the crew, and relax. I do appreciate all of you guys in here. Still on FNGR, I'm looking for a pop down to that 713-ish. You know, that pop had pretty nice volume, and then this decrease of volume here on FNGR. Let's see if we get a little bit of a pop here. You could even take some ads right where it's at. But I want to see 713 on FNGR. I don't have a membership, but I have a course out. So I stream completely free. You guys can see me. My Discord is completely free. And if you really want to learn, then I have a course out where you can buy the course, learn everything you need, and then have me for any questions you have. Scam too many times. Appreciate you. I know, BK Gapper. I look left and all I see is your name. Oh, there's 713 dip on FNGR. Getting some ads down here on FNGR. Let's see if we reclaim this dip here. I've been waiting for today. Nice little pop so far, but I'm not seeing buyers come in here yet. I want to see buyers really reclaim this one and take it back up to highs. It was up 80 bucks on that. That was a very nice pop. Instant down to 715 was close enough for me to get a buy-in. But, you know, now it's the time where buyers should have already recovered this move here. Yeah, stop that. $20 there. Still look... You see, when you get low volume, you get that kind of jerky moves. And I don't like that. When you get low volume, you get those jerky moves. Hey, Trace, I know what you're saying, man. I know how you feel, man. I'm still looking at FNGR down here. This FNGR play down here does not look too bad. 713. But kind of a triple top, triple bottom there. Just kind of being cautious. If that breaks, you could get a nice flush. And that was the end of that 5-minute candle, so now we're starting a new one. Bro, I hate when you do this, thinkers. There we go. You know, on FNGR, maybe, never mind, Lucy is slow. Yeah, Lucy is pretty slow. The links for my course are in my bio, and guys, use 150 off for a discount. 150 off at checkout, and you get $150 off. My Discord here. Let me give you my Discord link right here, and then my course. There's a link in my Discord, and there's a link in my TikTok bio. But if you give me 5 seconds, I can give it to you right here. Peggy, Peggy's back. Where's Peggy on here? Eh. Guys, so if you go to my Discord, there's a page there with all the links. If you go to my Instagram, if you go to my TikTok, there's a page with all my... J-Heart, are you in here, J-Heart, on YouTube? FNGR, to me, still down there, looks good. Look at this, FNGR play. Tops is back. Tops broke a new high, yeah. FNGR, if FNGR gives a spike down now to $7 or ADMA tap, I will add more on that one. But, you know, I'm not seeing buyers. Do I have it linked to my Discord? Yes, I do. I think I sent it. I think I sent it to Chicago. Here is FNGR again. Is this gonna keep dipping, or is this a dip trade opportunity? No, this is a perfect 5-minute setup, but I don't see buyers stepping in. If this is the ad on FNGR right there, and this thing pops all the way... The spread is a little too much on FNGR. You know, a lot of the times I don't even look at the spread, guys, which is a bad habit, but I don't even look at the spreads. You know, if I like the trade, if I like the setup, I'll take it. Obviously, I'm... RT, he's another YouTube trader. TikTok, I can't send I can't send links on TikTok. So it's in my TikTok bio though. It's for sure in my TikTok bio. Marcel, the spread's too big for me. Okay, Zach added on FNGR. I mean, if you got somewhere down here of 706, you're golding on FNGR. Is there anything else moving? Tops is still going, but man, Bead right here. Bead was a money trade on Tops. I can't believe that. Wow, that is a huge statement. That is a huge statement right there. This honestly, I think Quan is a better trader than Ross. Just give him a few more years. Ross trades huge size. That it's like you just mounted a 70-pound weight on my back right there. I really like Quan, but his efficient as him. I want to be as efficient as him, and his win rate is pretty high. My win rate on the days. So if I'm profitable on the day or red on the day, it's like 73% chance that I'm green. That's a bold statement, but it's possible though. Question: when do you know how to stop out? I keep stopping out, then it goes higher. Where do you put your stop loss? I only put a stop loss when I'm writing something up, so my runners. But other than that, you know, it's just a mental thing. I always say if I jump into a trade for the break of 4 and the break of 4 doesn't happen, why do I need to stay? Don't back hold. It could come up, you could get your money back, but a lot of times it might not, and then you're going to be back holding something to a lot worse. So if you go in for a trade looking for this thing to pop right away, FNGR, FNGR right here. I'm jumped in on this trade here looking for this to pop up. If it doesn't pop up, why do I need to stay in the trade? If I jump here and it starts popping up, good, have a stop loss there. But if it starts grinding down or something like that, I'm looking for the pop. If it doesn't pop, I'm out. Which now it wants to pop a little bit. Lucy big ol' flush. Lucy big ol' flush. Dang. Lucy is nasty, yeah. So, stocks that are in play, Lucy probably not, ADTX probably not. Tops is the only one going up, but if you look at that 5 minute, that's to me looking a little extended. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 green candles in a row. That's a little extended. FNGR looks good to me. Just buyers are not stepping in. Maybe a lot of people just didn't see this stock. Maybe people not watching this stock. That's some good odds. 70. It's like 72 something percent. 72 point. I think 72.5% that I'm green on the day. But definitely have had some nice consistency recently. Let's see, watch this. This is the last. This is the last 7 days. Whew. $1,000. Oh, this is cumulative. Okay, so cumulative in the last 7 days. $1,000, $1,500, $2,100, $2,800, $3,500, $4,000, $4,900. I'm a robot, dude. Honestly, I was looking to see, I got a pretty good start on this week. I was sitting up almost $3,000 and coming into today. And honestly, I was kind of trying to see if I can turn this $800. I didn't even import the other trade. Hold on, give me a second. A little bit more profit to add. So I was up. Oh wow, I was up like 813 or something, and now I'm up 870. I forgot to import one trade. So another $900 day. 3 for 3. 500 profit, 347 profit, 21 profit. It was like $30 here that I forgot to add, and then $21 here, which this one I was up 81, but didn't work out for me. So almost break even trade there. But I was looking to see if I could just take $800 here and flip it into 1.5, 2K dollar, 2K day today. But it's Friday, end of the week, slowing down a little bit. Lucy flush, ADTX flush, FNGR doesn't want to bounce there. Tops doesn't even know what a pullback is. What other stocks were we looking at? PRVB, this one, I was looking for the 650 break all day long on this one right here, below volume. And then once you got that break, you actually did pull away. PSTV, nothing. Kano, I don't know what that's doing. AEHR, sideways. ETNB, no volume. Tilray, wheat stocks, nothing. ATXI, kind of recovering. I think I was looking at some of my stats yesterday, and I think HUSA is like one of my all-time most profitable stocks ever. HUSA and Indo, for some reason, both of those stocks. Like all-time tickers, I think Indo and HUSA are like top 3, both of them. Which funny because they're both oil companies or whatever they are, but both of them are. BK Gapper, I will not answer that question. Question for anyone: do you use the same strategies for forex market instead of stocks? You can, but not. I wouldn't. I mean, it's completely different. You've never heard anybody say overextended with green candles. Have a good one, Juan. I'll see you on Monday. I'm done for the day. Awesome, man. Thank you. You have a good one, man. Yo, guys, I'm going to step away. I already hit my goal, and my freaking wrist is annoying me. 32 days green in a row now. See you guys maybe in Power Hour on Monday. Thanks, Juan. Good luck to the rest of the day. John Tops, look where it's at on the downtrend from the last 3 days. You and Exxon benefiting from high gas prices. I like that. Which, I don't think it was most of it now. I think a lot of those were last year trades. But, which one? Tops. You said Tops. But Tops to me looks so extended. Well, I do see what you're saying, though. It's right at it right now, John. Oh, wow. My SPY puts are up $500. Wow. But if you guys are new here, I don't include any options into my trading. So all the profit that I showed you guys on TraderView is only day trading shares. Oh, you mean it's a short now? Yeah, I like it. Unless you get over it and start holding again on tops. But this one had that pop yesterday where it like halted up twice and then it faded. 1, 2, and then just straight faded. So, I mean, this would be the place. So this is what John's calling out right here. So, sorry, high of day. Yesterday's second hot resumption there, connect it. That's exactly where it's at right now. So he's probably looking to short there. You could have shorted that top there and got a little bit of a move down. But if tops does get on the other side of this trend line and starts going sideways here, then this will definitely can pop power hour or on Monday. Day, $99 for 200 shares. Awesome way to see, man. Looking forward to helping you, man. Can I give you a setup tour? I have a full video on YouTube that explains it, how to set it up, what I have everywhere and stuff. And you can go look at that. And if you have any questions, let me know. I can help you afterwards on my Discord, on my YouTube, anywhere, you know. What is short squeeze? When shorts have to buy and buyers are buying, so you get a very nice squeeze to the top side. I'm not seeing anything else, guys. By any chance you have a MySpace we can follow? Bro, did you just wake up from like a coma or something or what? That's what I'm saying. Is MySpace still around? Do you swing trade? If I swing trade, I'm doing this with options. If I swing trade, I'm swing trading with options most of the time. But I don't usually take them unless I see a good setup. So SPY, I mean, you guys know on SPY, I'm still pretty bearish on it. And so we had this falling wedge that I was calling out. Falling wedges tend to break to the upside, so there it is. And then you had a rising wedge here. And getting pretty tight yesterday, so I was like, a rising wedge tends to fall down. I'm still pretty bearish on SPY, and we had a little bit of a bounce. I mean, almost $30 bounce on SPY. And so I was like, I still think this got another leg down, or I can at least retest 355. So I took some puts right here yesterday on SPY. And I mean, I think they're up 50% today. I mean, I put $1,000 in, and they're up 50%. So that was one swing trade, but I'm not closing it yet. I'll watch it carefully. I'll monitor it, but if this thing keeps dropping, this thing will just fail all the way down to 355. Yeah, that's why I'm looking for the crack of ape traits. Yeah, Robin, that's him. Bro, how old are you? Like 22? FNGR, man. FNGR finally bounced down there. I guarantee you Zach is still in here. Lots of personal questions. Marsa, are you in here? Zach is in here. Nice job. I feel like people are waiting for the Fed to pivot. Marsa, hello. Are you in on this one, Marsa? You took some FNGR. I mean, we're looking for the FNGR bounce here. It's finally bouncing. Dang it. Well, Zach is in it, so there was my play earlier, and here's the outcome of it. Looking for that bounce of 713. Dipped a little more than I wanted to. Down to $7. I guess I was saying $7. Dipped down to 6.99, and then back up to 6.37. No, I'm not annoyed, man. I'm not annoyed. The market doesn't care about your age. I like that. Facts. No, I'm not annoyed, man. I'm 24. The heck was that? I'm not annoyed, but obviously when I'm trading and a lot of questions are coming my way, I may not be able to answer them, and obviously I'm focused. But right now, I mean, I don't see anything moving, and I'm up $870. So I gave back 400 yesterday. I was up 900 and finished 500. So I may just say, end this week with this decent day and lock in a week of $3.5 thousand this week. So. By the time you reach 30, you're gonna be on a different planet? Dude, I hope, man. We're just trying to make it. We're all trying to make it. How much did I make today? $870. When is the right time to quit my job and trade full time? Any tips for advice? Um, when you can make enough to cover your expenses. Tops finally having a couple red candles up here. These red candles on tops have very low volume, guys. There is Deckmar Trades, the man. You're way above other 24-year-olds. I'm impressed. Thank you, man. Thank you. ADTX break of downtrend on ADTX. I only look at break of downtrends when the stock is still uptrending. When you get a stuff here, you get a nice flush, another flush. You could get a break of downtrend, but at that point, buyers like me, people like me, are not interested on that stock anymore. And so even if it breaks downtrend, I won't look at it. You're under VWAP, you're way below, you got stuff, you got flushed twice. So I think sellers are playing this more aggressive than buyers are. And honestly, you're still breaking almost downtrends, Break a downtrend, flush. Break a downtrend, flush. Break of down, uptrend, sorry, uptrend. Oh, top's just very nice fade here. Down to the ADMA. Yeah, that sucks, John. That sucks. Tops, you called it the short on tops, and it definitely was a short up there. I mean, we broke that trade down for you guys here. Do you have to pay tax when day trading? Yeah. How far is the difference between making 100, 200 a day? I'm barely hitting 50 and $100 a day. Dude, if you're hitting 50 and $100 a day consistently, you're doing something right, you know? Just step up a little bit, add a little bit of share size every once in a while, and you're right there. That's the problem I'm having right now. So my consistency is there. It's just the mental block of increasing share size and putting a little bit more risk on the line, you know. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Rome, you're still in AMV and you sold half now. Is AMV what, like $10 a share again? Up. Wow, good trade, Rome. FNGR breaking the multi-day. So FNGR to me is looking exactly like tops. Right? FNGR downtrend here. Let me draw this a little bit more accurate. FNGR looks exactly like tops to me. Tops is the one that I wanted to take an ad down here on tops. I said this thing popped down to the ADMA with low volume and it's bouncing already, but I missed that one. Hold on, here's a question for you. When you're trading with about 1 to 2K capital per trade, what amount of money would you expect to take profits from it? I think it depends on the trades. I get a lot of questions of like, how much should I make? How much should I risk? How much should I, I never had, when I learned how to trade, I never had a risk to reward tolerance. I never had a plan. I never had anything like that. I looked at the trade. And that's one thing that is very important that a lot of beginners do. They're looking at the profit. They're looking at the profit. They're looking at $50. Do I hit $50? But if you're looking at $50 and you take the trade right here, $50 might not be until way up here, right? Is that likely? Probably not. But if I'm taking a dip here and I get a bounce there, that's a decent bounce. Take half, If I'm looking for the break of downtrend, that's my target. Take that. Whatever profit that is what I'm gonna take. But if not, then I'm looking for that next leg, right? So it's not necessarily a dollar wise, but not even a percentage wise. A lot of people are like, look to make 2% per trade, 3%. No, I'm looking at the trade. I want this to happen. If this doesn't happen, I'm out. If this happens, then I'm taking some profit, iPhone 5, 1999. Awesome, man. You are the first donation in this whole channel. Everybody just give iPhone Eco a little bit of a thumbs up, fire emojis, or anything, man. I really appreciate that. You are the man. Again, impressed with your live interaction on live. I'll watch all your content this weekend and look forward to learning from you. Enjoy your week. Man, you are amazing, man. The first donation ever on YouTube. So you just put a smile on my face, You are the man. You're the man. Awesome, man. Awesome. Man, you just made my whole weekend. I'm about to take those $19 and go enjoy a very nice meal. My wife might not be able to eat, but I'm eating with that 20 bucks. Today alone was worth my money, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks, man. Thanks. I really do appreciate that. I appreciate everybody watching, man. Oh, guys. You're gonna get me emotional, man. That's my first ever donation. Hey, you gotta go, man. You take care. You have a good weekend. Hey, I think I posted my Discord in there, right? So if you have any questions, man, I am here for you. Any questions, I'll help you out with anything you guys need. So really, really appreciate it, man. It's awesome. I really do appreciate that. I got your Discord. Awesome. A lot of people are like, bro, this guy made $800 today. Why do I need to give him $5, But you guys don't understand how hard it is sometimes to trade live, answer questions. You guys don't understand the pressure it took for me to finally feel comfortable trading wildlife. I think some of you guys were following me back then, and when I first quit my job, and was trading live, I had a little bit of a rough patch. I think I went a full month break even, and it was tough for me to trade live. Sometimes I'd go red on the day, close the stream out, come back, and then get myself back to green. I just feel better, but I'm getting the hang of it, and so it's definitely not easy. Not easy. It's already hard enough to manage 8 stocks at one time plus 3 chats. So, thanks, man. Thanks. Juan, you're the man. Oh, here goes the other chats. Juan, you're the man. We appreciate you sharing everything, being transparent. Yep. I, I mean, I keep looking at my Tradecaster chat, and all I see is Crypto Wire and Ape Trades going back and forth. You guys aren't fighting, right? We're all a family here. You guys aren't fighting with each other, right? I don't need to put you guys on your place, right? Guys, honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna find another trade. I gave profits back yesterday, so I'm gonna lock it in today at $170. But I'll still hang around with you guys a little bit longer and on stream here. But I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. I'm kind of a conspiracist too. I hate the government. I think they're all idiots and only do things to stuff their pockets. I think there's a global reset for rich, poor, and they'll be defined in Bitcoin when the U.S. eventually fails. She can watch you eat, Mercer. I just saw that comment. John said, yeah, you're done trading until you post another $350 profit later in Discord. Nah, man, it's a Friday. Robin Heat, AMV halted again? Oh! Who was on this one? Rome, right? Rome, are you still in on AMV, Rome? How's married life? Been married since 2000s? It's good. It's good. We're actually, I'm going to tell you guys right now, just to give you guys a heads up, we're actually going to go skiing for the very first time. So this winter, almost throughout Christmas, right before Christmas, we're going to go and book a trip to the mountains and go skiing. So I'm very excited about that. Never been skiing before. Never been skiing. What's up, Eric on TikTok? What's up, man? Welcome back. How can I get a course for you? It's in my TikTok bio and type in 150 off at the checkout page. So you get $150 off. You're welcome. Let me know if you have any questions before you purchase it, though. Let me know if you have any questions, anything you... AMV, Rome, please tell me you're still in here, man. AMV again, another $10 share move today, pretty much. From $16 to $24, $25. Man, AMV is crazy. Both of my Bitcoins I bought whole. You feel like I went buying 0.0005% of a Bitcoin? I linked up on your Discord G. Awesome, man. My Discord link is in the bio, guys. I cannot post a link on TikTok chat. I can't post links. Man, Tops is the one we missed, guys. Tops is breaking out of this downtrend here now. The multi-day time frame. The multi-day time frame on Tops breaking out of it. This is the dip we almost took, though. But, I was looking for it to kind of dip down, consolidate, and then do this. Not really dip down and instantly recover it. So, Tops is looking strong. But I can't chase it now. Rob Bellany took Tops, though. Good job. Your green trade there. Where exactly am I going? If you had to take a guess, somebody going to the snow, where would you guess? Skiing is fun. Where exactly are you going? Tops nowadays. Only 147. Rome. Awesome, man. Rome again with another banger of a trade on AMV. Not wear cardi bands. I did my first time and they ripped by my crotch area. Siberia? No, I'm not going that far. Yeah, it's Chicago said on Tradecaster. Guessed it. Colorado. I don't use leverage. You're probably thinking of Forex or anything like that. Tops, definitely missing a couple trades. I think BK Gappers right above tops had 3 dips bounce off support. Tops. What are we looking on tops? Let me see. I gotta fix a couple of my charts. I have something that's bothering me and I need to fix them. I need to remember that before next week. Kano also looking back up to high of days. 972 up here. Ape Trade's about to go outside the Fed, turn on the printers. Lucy coming back up to VWAP. Super low volume though. Lucy, I would want it over 324. 324 and then it'll start getting interesting. Back up to 350s, but this low volume is not what you want to see at all. Tops is the only one that looks a little interesting. Let me look at the daily a little bit better. So tops next daily level is yesterday's second halt, 971. After that, 1162. The traders heading out of here. Thanks again, Juan and team. Have a great weekend. Awesome, man. You have a good one, man. You have a good weekend, man, and I'll see you back on Monday. We get right back into it. Kano, 5-minute flag. Down to 9. Why do I have 953 though? Oh, 953 is a daily pivot. 953 is a daily pivot on Kano. A little bit of a big fade there. There's 953. Are there any buyers down here? Missed it. Hesitated too much. I hesitated it too much. Dropped down to 952. I was looking at 953, 1 penny off, and already back up to 958. $959, 20 on the ass there. 19, some orders getting filled, not many. Restack 21, 23, 22. Man, Tops is just grinding all day. Ape Trades took that trade down there, okay. If you got a 952.53 area buy, that's good. It was a little bit of a wall at 959. Man, Tops, man. What is up with Tops? Tops is looking for $9 now. On that Kano play, Ape Trades, I mean, the right idea was there. You got a little bounce, enough to take some profits, enough to take a break-even stop, so hopefully you didn't lose on there. But I think now maybe a little too much of a pullback. This is the last candle of this 5-minute, and it's going to close pretty engulfing almost that move there. Unless you get a nice little pop here. Ross is an expert skier raised in Vermont. No pressure. Mersa is 4 weeks straight green. New record for me. Awesome, Mersa. Man, you've been killing it recently, Mersa. Good job, man. Everybody give Mersa a little emoji. A little goat emoji. I'm starting the goat emoji. Good job, Mersa. Tradecaster chat. Blow Mersa's comment up. He deserves it. Yeah, good job, Mersa. Yeah, good job, Rome C. From $17 to $26 again on AMV. Man, Rome, you're killing that stock. No more trades for me. FNGR, Zach probably still holding FNGR. You know, this he's got diamond hands, so he's probably still in this, looking for that downtrend, kind of like tops, right? So the multi-day downtrend right here. So that pivot there 2 days ago, this pivot there yesterday, and today we're looking for that breakout of that downtrend. Which this was still the same ad. Oh, you got stopped out. This was still the same ad down here that we had earlier, or I took earlier but didn't hold it. Let me glance through all these again. I usually stream 2.5 hours. Not on purpose, but by the time I'm like, okay, it looks like everything's slowed down, and I come back, and like all my YouTube videos are like at $2. I mean 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 20 hours. Guys, I think I'm gonna be done here. So I'm a pretty good week, so I'm happy with that. I'm live on Tradecaster. Congrats to. Oh dang it, Ape Trade's lost a little bit more on Kano, but good comeback there, and still a manageable red day, right? Tops again flagging here. We could take tops here. Honestly, I don't mind tops. Tops, nobody's been selling this stock, and I'm looking for $9 on tops. This could have been the ad on tops here. A little stuff on the 5 minutes, but this candle here has very low volume and decrease in volume here through these 1 minutes. And this still is that downtrend from the multi-day downtrend here. Watching tops here. Looking for this 835 pivot to hold. Added on that retest of the downtrend too. Small share size here for me. I want to see that 835 hold, buyer step in and then reclaim it, and then looking for $9 break. If this flushes, I'll just stop out, take a small loss. But 3 seconds here, recovered all of that up to not the best move there. You know, if I close it right here, that might actually put me over $900 on the day. Did I have a single red trade today? Did I have 100% accuracy again? Over $900. I think I had 100% accuracy today again. Win trade, win trade, win trade, win trade, win trade, and one more. $907. And then now watch, this thing is gonna rip up to 9. Oh my gosh, man. The best team by far. Awesome, Andres. Appreciate it. Short entry. Can you teach me? Can I teach you a short entry? Is that what you're asking me? If I get a chance, I'll try to take a screenshot of my chart and explain why I took. Oh, please do, Rome. Please tell. Let me know why you took those AMV trades, because that was awesome. You nailed it twice. Man, tops right there. I had to trade there. I had it right there. 1,000 shares. I think my cost basis was 829. It's sitting at 845 right now. 30, 10, 50, 15 cents on 100. It's $150 that I left on the table here so far. No, I took my profit myself. I saw like $50 profit, and in the back of my mind, I was like, I'm up 870. So if I take $50 profit, I will go over $900 today. But you know, I stopped out, a little bit of a pullback, got out $37 profit, which put me up over $900. But man, this thing is about to rip up back up to 9. Fishy is spendy, bro. Wait, what's your favorite thing to spend money on? I haven't done as much fishing. Hopefully, I do more at the beginning of the year, because that's the better season to fish. You know, I'm not a big money spender. I think that's why in the beginning I was able to get a good start, because I had a lot of money saved up. But the few things that I've spent money on recently was for enjoyment. I guess you can say pickleball. I mean, I was a college tennis player. I played college tennis. What platform do you use? I trade on Thinkorswim. And I've been playing a lot of pickleball recently, so I opened a membership to a country club and bought some paddles and all that stuff. So I did that, and I've been playing that. So mostly 3, 4, 5 times a week I'm out there playing at night. So I'll do that. I bought new shoes. I'm not a big shoe person though. Fishing, yeah, I do some fishing occasionally. I don't feel as bad now. Tops is pulling back. AMV is flagging. Ooh, that 5-minute looks pretty tough though. Dang, Abe Trace was up 220 on tops and closed it at 80. Hey, but that's good though. That I think you're holding for the break of 8. Oh my gosh. Look at this tops recovery. Looking for a new high of day and extension to $9. 30 seconds left on this candle. 868 is the pivot to hold. 868 is the pivot to hold. If I get, this is a very nice recovery on top. So I might, 20 seconds left on this candle here. 868 pivot. We want to see $9 on tops. So I'll risk a little bit of profit here. 12 seconds left on this candle here. I want to see the extension through 868 up to $9. 5 seconds left here. Maybe a little bit more aggressive up to $9. I want to see the move up to $9 here. Very nice recovery. I'm going to add on this little micro pullback here. I'll add a little bit more there. And now I want to see this thing take off. I want to see this thing take up to $9. Please break some walls down here up to $9. I think it's possible to get up to $9. Looking for 83 pivot to hold. And then see if we get that extension to $9. That was a very nice recovery, so I'm looking for buyers to keep stepping in here, get it up to $9. Taking some off on that pop. A little bit of a wall there. Did we get through this wall here? Do I get through this wall here? 71 at 890. There's the wall there again. I want the pop to $9. There's the break of the wall. Looking at $9. No, don't flush on me, please. Don't flush on me. No, 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 no. Stop there. Candle on that low is 868. So, oh, come on, you turd, bro. You turd piece of lying sack of donkey nipple crap. I should have taken my profit because I was up over $1,000 with that trade. It would have been $1,000 day. And then it's still gonna go back up and hit $9. Watch. That should have ripped through 9. It should have ripped through 9. No question about it. So that'll be my first red trade. How come you don't set stop losses? I mean, well, actually, one big thing I don't set stop losses is it takes me a little bit to find it on level 2. And when I do put a stop loss on level 2, I can't sell at the same time on Thinkorswim, which is absolutely stupid. So if I put a stop loss here, then I have to come back up here, cancel that stop loss, and then sell. I thought that had a breakthrough 9 right there, man. I thought I had a breakthrough 9 right there. So that sucks. So gave back all of that and $20 more. I was up 100 and something on that trade. I should have just closed it and been $1,000 day. Ugh. But only giving back, well, I guess giving back $50 there off the highs. So I'm sitting at probably like 850. 849 exactly. Yeah, so it's kind of annoying because of Thinkorswim, but that's why you get stopped out with 1/4 profit. Were you in there? Was that still a green trade for you too, Ape Trades? I had it though. We had it, man. We thought that break of 9 was there. I saw my P&L up 150. Hadn't even broken 9. If it broke 9, it would have gone 910, 920 maybe. I've been trying to get Juan to use bracket orders now. $90 back when you were up to 20 again. Dang, that sucks. PVRB, that's the low volume one from this morning, but let's see if it recovered. I did. Looking for a new high of day, but see this stock just no volume on it. Guys, I think I'm gonna call it there. You know, give back some profit. Not that I'm upset about it. Not that I have one red trade. I'm done because I mean my first red trade of the day and I lost 50 bucks on it. So I'm still up $850. But you know it's been a heck of a week. It's Friday. Volume's probably gonna die out as people go ahead and take off early for the weekend. And no business for me staying in here and trying to get $1,000 when I was so close yesterday, just $100 short. I tried getting it, I gave some, and so I'm gonna stop here. Guys on TikTok, Tradecaster on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Can't stress it enough. I got grandma love for you guys. But I do appreciate all of you guys watching. Shout out again to, I think he's already gone, but iPhone Cinco for that donation, first ever donation on YouTube. So I really appreciate that, guys, or him. Appreciate that. If you guys want my Discord, I'm gonna post it one more time on YouTube. So here's a Discord on YouTube. Here is a Discord on Tradecaster. And then on TikTok, I cannot post links, but just go up to my TikTok bio and hit the link there, and should have a link to my Discord, my course. If you guys are interested in my course, 150 off at checkout. If you have any questions about it, just DM me first, and I can answer some questions. And that's it, guys. See everyone Market Monday. Have a good weekend, everybody. Mike Blanco, thank you. Rob Bellany, you have a good one, man. My Tradecaster chat, where you guys at? I'm about to head out, so you guys have a good one. Auto send is checked off of active trader, and that's it, guys. So you guys have a good weekend, and I will see you guys later. See you, Zach. See you, John. Ape Trades. See you guys on Monday. You guys have a good weekend. We killed it this week. Let's do it again next week.